Hey guys, it's Jedd here from Disrupt Tutoring. As always, a pleasure to join you. Today we've got a couple of questions, a little bit of a mix of questions, and they're all fairly quick to get through, so that's why I've combined them into the same question. And essentially, let's start off with 2.1. So they've asked us to complete the following, and the first one is 0 divided by 7. So the way I like to think of this is if you've got no pi, how much pi will everyone get? And the answer there is always going to be 0. It doesn't matter what you divide 0 by, everyone's not going to get pi. So no one's going to get pi is essentially what the answer is. The second one, guys, is we've got a half to the 3. Okay, so what we typically do here is we would move that cube to the 1 and we would move the cube to the 2 as well. So I'm going to write this out like this just so I've got more space. And we're going to times this exponent by the exponent on the outside and this exponent by the exponent on the outside. And we've got invisible exponents at the moment, so it's going to be 1 to the 1. So the 1 times 3 is going to be 3. And then the 2 to the 1 is going to become 2 to the 3. Now to simplify that, what is 1 to the 3? Well, 1 to any number is always 1. And what will 2 to the 3 be? We know that's going to be 8. So that's going to be that answer, nice and simple. And then finally, guys, we've got write 12,000 in scientific notation. So when they ask for scientific notation, they're specifically wanting us to write 1,2 times 10 to the something, for instance. Okay, so let's write this out, 12,000. And we know we start with our comma over there. And we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, and we want to move the comma to that position. So I'm going to do it again. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. That's where we want the comma to move to. So in scientific notation, this is going to be 1, 2 times 10. And how many times did we move the comma to the left? We moved it to the left 4 times, and that's going to be your answer in that case. Thanks so much for joining, guys, and a very special thank you to our sponsors. Remember to check out all about them in the link below. And if you're keen for more videos like this, look out for them on our website. If you can't find the answer to your question, remember you can send it to us and we will respond with a personalized video. Until then, guys, stay epic.